everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make ginger pickles. This ginger pickles that's very popular. When you go to sushi restaurant, they serve this one. So you can make it at your home, and I will show you how to do it today. If you have mandolin or the slicer, this job will be very easy. So this ginger having fiber up and down. So you need to slice or cut the same way of fiber goes. Do not slice this way. If you do not know how the fiber goes, you just check the end and you will see which way the fiber goes. After this, put in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoy my video today and learn how to make ginger pickles at your home. This is very short one, and it's amazing that you can make ginger pickles just like a sushi restaurant. If you like my YouTube channel, please thumbs up and subscribe channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon again.